Power target trades, power trigger trade. All right, people, I got a plan here for NVDA. The big picture expert is going to talk about this plan. I like this close. I'm going to talk about the SPY as well in NVDA here. But first, we'll talk about the NVDA plan. NVDA is set up to test 240 to 245 quickly. The April 20, 230 calls are great to use. That's right, people. What we want to do is we want to use these in-the-money calls. You can see this; they're trading very well. Love the way this is trading. Again, high odds setup here. Now, NVIDIA needs to, I will explain in the video the facts. That's right. So, inside of Power Group Trades, I'm going to be talking about the confirmation, okay? But one of the reasons why I like NVDA is because the SPY is now aligned. We have an alignment. Now, I want to show you something about the SPY on the charts, all right? But as you can see, this is the plan for NVDA, and I'll be talking about the SPY right now. Let me talk about the SPY here quickly. All right, people, so here I have the SPY up here. You know, big picture, like I've been explaining to people. The market is setting up for much higher prices, probably 300 in the long term for this year. Okay, 280 to 300, all right? Now, what I said last week over here, okay, right over here on this day, that the market, based on this signal, was in favor of testing the gap at 270. However, we had some crazy news that came in on this particular day, which was Friday. We pulled things back, but when it comes to the big picture, it's not about the little movements here and there. It's the big picture. Now, obviously, if we follow through today, it'll be this day here, right? We follow through. That'll be very helpful, of course, for NVDA and other plans that I have inside of Power Group Trades. Now, let me show you people what I'm talking about. All right, people, I want to show you Power Trigger Trade over here. Of course, if you come through this thing now, see, you want to become a special group member inside of Power Group Trades. You want to see this video, study what it says. It'll explain to you how to get there. It's a free. However, you must follow the rules right now. So check out this video. Now, I want to show you a great place. But you know what I said in my live stream, you know, if you want to listen to this live stream here, you know, I told the AMD investors long time ago last year that AMD was a garbage stock. Anyways, people, well, it was fear April the 6th. I explained that the market would require larger stops, but the big picture was that we were going to go and test 270. Well, people, you know, NVIDIA made a really great signal today, as well as the SPY. We got a great plan here to make some great money in NVDA, people. Let's see what I say here. All right, people, welcome to Power Target Trades, my YouTube channel. This is a great place. As you can see, confirmation is key. This is a great place. See this created playlist. You want to study this. Never before in history has something been showing you a plan from before the fact, as it's confirming, and after the fact. Unlike anything you've ever seen before. A lot of people show you spreadsheets. I show you detailed plans from start to end, unlike anything else. I'm the big picture expert. Everybody else is a joke compared to the Power Trigger Trade, the big picture expert. And the more you study my stream, the more you understand that I am the big picture expert. All right, now, people. So if you have an account, if you already have a YouTube account, just simply subscribe with the subscribe button. If you don't have one, make sure you get one and come here and manually subscribe. If you have one already, I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe right inside this video. Again, I've explained in the video how to become a follower on Power Group Trades if you like these detailed plans. And again, people, as I said, study this creative playlist. Let's see what I say. Power Trigger Trades Samuel here, the big picture expert. You want to study my creative playlist bottom of my YouTube channel. You also want to subscribe. A lot of great information here on Power Target Trades. You can also find my website link, and don't forget there are live streams on my YouTube channel. So you want to subscribe for a whole bunch of reasons. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like